Let's pretend, kids! Hello and welcome to another episode of Let's Pretend, kids! And today we are making a strawberry shortcake ice cream bar. And today we are with Jackson.
Hello.
Zoe. Hi. And let's get started. If you're new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe.
So the process of making this starts with crushing these Oreos. You could use a food processor, but today we're going to use some spoons and the rolling pin.
Now it's my turn. You're doing good so far. Really good job, Violet. My turn.
Good job.
You're doing great. Thanks, Violet.
What? Okay, so right here we have these half a cup of freeze-dried strawberries. We use a food processor to do this, but if you do not have one of those, just finely chop them.
So now we're gonna add the Oreos to the strawberry mix. I'm gonna add 5 tablespoons of melted butter. We're watching our dad stir his biggest spoon.
Now we're going to take half of the mixture and make a crust on the bottom. As you can tell, we lined it with parchment paper. You can use aluminum foil, whatever you have. So now we'll add some ice cream, strawberry ice cream, to make the middle of our bar. So we put a good layer of ice cream in the dish, and then we're going to use the rest of the topping to complete our strawberry shortcake bar. Once you have it the way you want it to look, you place it in the freezer so it'll set for about 2 hours.
So we have our ice cream. We have been waiting for 2 hours, and let's try it. It looks very delicious.
Good. That's pretty.
I'm trying to get some cream on the top for a relief.
What does it taste like, guys?
Strawberries and the Oreos. Thanks for watching. Make sure to
Like.
and subscribe. See you next time.
Bye.
Also, don't forget to check new videos on Sundays.
Yep.
Bye.